What was the last topic we have seen, Ma? Spark SQL or anything else? Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Widgets. Okay, okay, right. Yeah, good morning, everyone. So let us start now. I'm audible, guys, everyone?
Good morning, sir.
So, guys, so let us go ahead and start up this one. So, first of all, we have to start this the brick session. So, for that, I'm going ahead.
Sir, please share the screen, sir.
Sure. So, let us give the resource group name here itself. We'll create it. Okay. So, DB utils notebook. RG, that is the resource group. Click OK, ma. That's it. Now give it here. Workspace, Durga Soft. So now, guys, this is the okay. This is the thing we want to run. Now let us click on the create, and again click on the create. So now it's deploying the workspace. So meanwhile, what we will do is I'll just start up the case study. And title of the case study. Yeah, any question, ma? Using DB utils notebook. Okay. Using DB utils notebook to run another notebook. Okay. So now just a minute. Let us start this. So let's refresh it. So we have to just wait for 2 to 3 minutes more for creating this process. Now it's done, guys. So click on this. The workspace is ready. So we have to launch it as the process, regular process we do it. Launch the workspace. And once the workspace is launched, what is the next thing you need to do? Yes, guys?
Cluster creation.
Direct cluster.
Yes. So we have to start up the cluster again. Then upon the cluster, we have to create the notebook. So that's it. So click on the cluster and create a cluster. As you want to give your own name, just check here and give the name. So I want to give the name as Durga Soft Cluster. That's it. Okay, I wanted to make this one as a standard only. Even though it charges a lot, let's create it on the standard only. Because when we create it on a single node, what happens is it will not allow some of the process to move on. That some of the process will restrict it. But if you are using the free subscription, only there is the single it is allowed to create only the single node cluster, not the standard one. For the standard one, you have to go for the pay as you go model. So I'll make using DB utils text widget. Now, guys, it is created. Now let us go ahead and create the notebook. So as it is for the notebook, I wanted to label this notebook as text widget notebook So next, and default language is Python, and let's create it here. Create. Now the notebook we have already created. Now guys, I want to comment it here. So guys, commenting how to do it. Use this. Sorry. Run, or we can say create. Create a text widget. Text widget. That means I'm creating a text widget notebook here. Create a text widget notebook. Okay. Or we can say input text widget. Okay, guys. So I'm using dbutils. Dbutils dot, guys, tell me. Dbutils dot widget. So I'm creating an input text widget, guys. First of all, I'm creating, what is that? Input text widget. So how to create a input text widget? Yeah, tell me now. So I'm using dbutils.
Widgets.text.
Yes, we have to use what? Text.
Widgets.
Widgets. Yeah, yes. Widgets. Can you see here? I'm using it here as a default value. Okay, some value here. Country. Okay. And now default value. Default value, we should be capital, is equal to India. Something I'm using it. Okay. Now guys, let us run this. Yeah, what is the problem?
Typo error, default.
Yeah. Now I think it's fine. Okay, now it's done, guys, all of you. Next one. Okay, next cell, I'm using it. Get the value. Okay, get the value from text widget. Get the value from text widget. Yeah, how to get the value from text widget? Tell me. dbutils.
Dot widgets. Dot get.
Yeah. Dot widgets. Get. What is the widget name? Widget name is country. That's it. Okay.
It can be stored in a variable.
So it can be stored in, okay, let us say it can be stored in a variable called x, guys. So I'm using x is equal to, yeah. Now we have to use, what is it? Print of country name is colon is, what is that, comma x. Now let us print the x here. India. Can you see it? Here I am storing whatever the value we are having. That is nothing but this widget. I am storing it in a variable called x. Now I'm printing the x. So now you are getting country name is what? India. Okay. Let us give it here. Now let us give it here. The country name is what? United States. Okay. This is a simple notebook. So now I want to create one more variable here. Names. names is equal to, so list object I'm using it. I'll just comment and write it here. I'm using create Python list object. So let us give it here the name as ALN is one name, and car is another name, and then I have Jones, Robert. Okay, I'm giving the another name as David. Smith. Now guys, that's it. Print type of variables. Okay. So can you see here? Here we have it. I'm using the type is what?
Yes.
Yeah. Names. Okay, names. Now let us use this. Okay, list. The type of the object is what? List here. Okay. The another cell I'm using it. Now guys, display values from the list. Display value from the list. For that, I'm using the loop for I in names. What is it? I in names colon. I'm going to write the syntax here. Okay. Uh, that is for I in names. Just a minute. Okay. Now, guys, we have this, and now use print I. Print I. Now, what happens? The same will be printed here. Okay, guys, everyone. That's it. Okay. See, these all values are printed as a list. So, what is the name of the notebook? Text widget notebook. Okay. Text widget notebook. Okay. So, this is the name of the notebook here. Okay. This notebook I want to execute in another notebook. Can you see here? Here you have it. Okay. So, just put it here. This is nothing but a notebook path, guys. This is the notebook path. Okay. Just copy this notebook path. This is called as a notebook path. Copy this. And now, guys, copied. Go to this another one. Can you see here how to copy this path? I'll tell you. Yeah. So for this, go to workspace. And now can you see text widget is here? Na? Just copy this. Copy in path. Copy file path. Can you see here? What is it? You have it. Copy file path. That's it. Okay. Now, guys, I want to keep this path here in this particular this thing. This is the path of the path of notebook. Okay. This is the path of the notebook. This notebook I want to run in another notebook. Okay. So for that, I'm creating a new notebook. This notebook is, let us say here, some name here as a, okay, main notebook. All of you following, please. Main
Yes.
notebook. So the notebook name is what? Main notebook. How to run? So now, guys, I'm just using a comment line for understanding purpose. Run notebook. Run notebook from another notebook using %run command. Using %run command. Okay, guys. Okay, how to run? Let us see it here. Syntax also will give you. Okay, so use syntax. Sorry, syntax %run notebook So now, guys, use what's it? %run. So can you see here? %run, %run followed by this path of it. So what is the path you have it? Path. Just paste it here. Okay, guys. And now under the single quotes, that's it. And now, and you can also pass the parameters if you want, okay? Such as, can you see here? Dollar country equal to some name here, Australia. Okay, guys. Okay. I think this will not work. Just a minute. Let us run this. It should go in error, I think so. Yeah. Just a minute, guys.
The widget you created with the C as lowercase, I guess.
See this one.
Yeah.
I don't think so. That is there. That is not there.
Okay. So it says the file itself is not
Yes.
there.
Just a minute.
Should we try expand this exception and
Hmm. So .py it says Python. So
I think should we also mention it in that path? Text widget notebook.py.
okay. I don't think that is the .py. Why? Let's run this. No, that is not the thing. Just a minute. Let me just check it once. Okay. Uh, percent. Just a minute. Remove this. Percent run. Hmm. Just a minute. So go to this workspace and now copy the path of this file. This one, copy file path. Okay. And now let's try to put it the main notebook. What we are so it's small troubleshoot. So okay, guys. So let us use some other command here. dbutils dot notebook dbutils dot notebook dot run. Let us use it instead of using the percent run. Okay. And now under the quotes, just paste the path here. And now after this, let's use comma. I'm using some value here. Okay. 60 comma use country, use a colon as United States. Okay. So guys, let us try to run this. I'll just comment this one. I'll run this later because now run this. And tax error it says. That's a minute. So instead of using this one, I'll do one thing now. Instead of this main, I'll write it as text widget notebook. No, I'll write this. Go to this text widget. Copy the path. And now let us paste it here, this one. Text widget notebook. Okay. Now I think it should work. It's a syntax error. dbutils Okay, we have dbutils dot notebook dot run, and this one is the path. Okay, then afterwards we have the this thing, comma, invalid syntax it says. Just a minute, guys. Syntax error. Just see the error. What does it say? dbutil syntax error notebook dot. Okay, you have some error here. It's marking up to this. See here. No. So actually, guys, just a minute. So actually, we have two ways for running the notebook. Okay. There are two ways of running a notebook. Uh, there are two ways of running a notebook from another notebook. So first is, what is it? %run command. %run command followed by the notebook path, whatever path you have it. Notebook path, that is nothing but the parameter. And the second way to run this, what is that? dbutils dot notebook dot run, and then followed by, what is it? Path comma timeout. The 60 what I wrote is the timeout, guys. Timeout followed by dictionary parameters. Okay, so now this is the way we have it. So the path it is not recognizing. See, this 60 is nothing but wait for 60 seconds. If the notebook execution crosses 60 seconds, that means the main notebook will be failed here. Okay, so that is the thing I'm pausing. Okay. Now just dbutils dot notebook dot run. Let's do one thing. I'll put it in double quotes if this is. valid command. Just a minute. Actually, it should run here. 60 country. So let me just check once more the path. Text to widget file path. So run the, go to the workspace. I want the main notebook to be executed. So now the path is, let us paste the path once more here. So this is the path. Okay. 60. What is the indirect syntax? It's not recognizing the path here. So, okay, I'll rerun this once and just see. The same error throws off. It says the syntax error db utils dot notebook dot run. Yes, guys, can you make out any? There is nothing but issue in this. It says in the line 6 only. Instead of this one, let us make it as a 30.
Somewhere it shows error in country between colon. So the particular error is showing under the country colon like that, colon or semicolon.
Instead of that, so
maybe comma.
no comma. If you use it, will different.
Sir, shall we first of all remove this country value? I mean the entire option here.
Yeah. Okay. So let's run this. No, it will expect it again.
Closing bracket.
Close the bracket.
Okay, okay. Let's try to run this. Now, guys, it's running now. Now, can you see here? Yeah, it's running. Now, can you see here? It's running successfully. And now, just click on this. See, a job is created. Notebook. Open this. Can you see? And this is the thing we have it. Can you see? This is the output. Okay. This is the output. Got it, all of you?
Okay. So the value you gave earlier, that being a dictionary, I think it should come within the curly braces.
Yes, I think so. Yeah, dictionary, what we, according to the syntax, what you said, no?
Yes. That is dictionary, right? So within curly braces, it has to be.
Okay, let us put it. Yes. Okay, no problem. We'll give it in that way. Recents main. Okay. Now we'll try to give it. Okay. So for that, after this, let us use the comma here. And now under the curly braces, let us use it here. Country, and then use a colon here, and then uses United. Sorry, under the double quotes, United, states. Okay, is it fine now? Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's run this once more. Now guys, it's running. That was the issue, nothing else. Fine. Okay, so now just open this, see the output. This is nothing but the output, we can have it. Now see what is the country name. Now it's coming. Before it was Indiana. This time it is coming as what? United States, as per we have given it. Okay, though we have given India, but in the print it's coming as United States because we have compiled it. Okay, that's it. Now let's do one thing. Go to the main notebook now from this again. Now guys, this is the second way. This is the second way. Now this time let us give the country parameter as something. Okay, Canada. Canada. Okay guys, now what would be the country name displayed now? It should display as Canada. So let us see here. This is just basically it's running. Just a minute. Now guys, open this. Now see the output. Now the country name is what? See here guys, what is the country name now? Now it is what? Canada. Okay, now it is what? Canada. This is how we can make out. Now guys, this is functioning. Yes, following everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let us go to this main notebook again. So basically there are two ways of running a notebook. This is the first way. That means when there are two ways of running a notebook from the existing notebook. That is something a new running a notebook from another notebook. So the first one is what? %run, and the second one is what? db utils dot whatever we have it. So now let us do one thing. So let's give it here. This one the curly braces for more understanding. I'll give it here. That's better now. So we have executed using the second method. Okay, and the first one we have not. It's not executing. I think there is an issue with that particular syntax itself. Let's try to make some changes and do it. Okay, so actually the first one is very simple way to run this. Okay, I'm writing it here instead of this one, using what is that? db utils utils dot notebook dot run. So now the syntax in this, I'll change the syntax also, wherein you have to give here the same one, db utils then we have to use besides this path. Okay guys, path, comma, and timeout, and then use what's it? Parameters. That's it. Okay, so next after this, now guys, I'll create one more notebook now. One more notebook I'll create it. Let's make it here some way as test notebook. Test notebook. Let us create it here. One more. Okay, guys. So now the test notebook is ready. Now I will try to use it here. %run. All of you, just a minute. %run. I'll try to run this now. %run, I'll try to copy the physical path of what widget. Okay, sorry. I will try to copy the path of this particular, this notebook, the first created notebook. Okay, guys. And now go to the test notebook here. That's it. So let's do one thing now. Okay, now guys, let's try to do one thing. Now put it here under the same. I'll put it here. Okay. See here. I'm using another one, dollar. Okay. Country. No, I think it will run now. Now, guys, country is equal to France. All of you. Okay. Now this will work, I think so. Okay. Now can you see here, guys? It's working or not, guys? Huh?
What change have you done here?
See, basically, so actually, see, previously also we have done it, but it is not working there. Okay. So actually the changes what I have done is, I think the country we have used. Yes. Okay, dollar country we have given it, and also we have used it. Just a minute, let me check it here once. Just a minute. Now, just a minute.
There, so we have given single quote there.
Yeah, that is the only difference, I think. Single quote you gave earlier for the path.
Yeah. So just a minute, let me just go to the recents. We have this one. So we have been running into this main. So let's go here to the main notebook. So we have been trying to do that here also. Okay. Yeah. What was the issue? Tell me. Nothing else. We have put it in some single. I'm just pasting there for your reference. I'm just pasting there. Okay, guys, go to the recents and recents and test notebook. And now see, this is the difference. Now make out the difference, guys. Yeah.
That single quote and double quote.
Single quote and double quote is the one.
Samir, here I have one more doubt. So directly we got final output here. But previously, when we run that one, we're getting code in separate notebook. Each code we got.
Why? See, basically, I am giving the physical path of the notebook called text widget notebook, but I am running the notebook called test widget notebook. Yeah, so it means from test widget notebook, I am trying to run the text widget notebook, and it has come whatever the data you have in the text widget notebook, it is running that and displaying you the value. That means the first country value before it was India. Na? In the you go and check here, it was India. In the recent text widget notebook, the value which you have given us India, actually it should print as India. But instead of India, I have replaced that India with France. Since the France is printed, and the second one as it is, it has printed. That's the reason. See here. Reasons. Now check it here. Test. Okay. Got it now?
Yes.
Now I'll run one more notebook, guys. One more notebook. I'll define it now. So I'll create one more notebook. Okay. Let's make it here as a my notebook. Simple, just for having my notebook. I want to run it again. Okay. Now, guys, let us try to. Okay. Now, person run. And now lives in the single code only. Guys, now I will try to run the first this thing only. Okay. Text widget notebook. Text widget notebook only. I'll try to run this. I'll try to run this. Copy the physical path. Text widget. This is my first notebook now. I'm copying the physical path of that. And now let us try to run this.
Samir, can we parallelly open one more tab here for doing same activity? Because every time we have coming, recents and all, right? Instead of that, can we open the parallel two tabs?
Yeah, we can adjust it. We can run. We can have parallelly 4 notebooks side by side, or we say, yeah, that also we can have it. Okay. Yes, guys. Now it will throw you an error.
You still have to clean up this command. You have something else there.
Yeah, tell me. What is it?
#% hash is also there. See.
Okay, no problem. Just a minute. Okay. So let's run this. And now I think so. Still, it will throw you an error. Now it will throw you an error. Why? Because the double quotes is not supported. I think so. That's the only thing. Now, guys, see. Now you got it. Got it now?
Yes.
With parameters and without parameters. This is without parameter, but you have to use in the double quotes. That's the only thing we have it. Okay.
Okay.
Nothing else is the issue. Okay, guys. The path in the double quote. If at all you want to give the first one, that is the country name, as use a dollar, and now you can use what's that country name. So country, I want to give it here as okay is equal to, under this, can you see here, use the Germany. Now the country name will come as what? Germany. Okay, guys. What the default value given at the time of creating this? India. Now it has changed to what is it? Germany. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, Samir, here I have one more small query. So whenever we're creating separate here, first time it should be open, it should be create new notebook. Further, next time onwards, I want to do modifications, and that reflection should be get here. Is it possible?
Come again.
Okay. First, for example, in main notebook is there, for example. So from here we created one new notebook by using this command. So I will go to previous notebook. I will do some modifications. Whatever I have done the modifications there, that should be reflected here without taking further one more notebook. Is it possible?
You have to run that. Whatever the changes you have done, you have to run that. Then it will reflect automatically. So I'll do that. That's the thing you want now. Just a minute. I will do it now. Instead of India, can you see here? I will make it here as a UAE. Okay, guys. Huh?
Yes.
I'll make it as a UAE. Default value is UAE. Now, country as it is. I'll run this. This cell I'll run it. Okay. Now United States is getting it. So the default value, okay, text get country, print country name is of X. So, but it's getting it. Okay, I'll do one thing now. Instead of that,
Oh, above one, in country.
UAE. UAE. Now I think it should get it as a UAE. Okay. Now I'll do one thing. Now, as you said, so test or my this thing we have it now, my notebook. So go to the my notebook. Now, guys, just do one thing now. I will remove this parameter. Okay. Now run this. See. UAE.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes. Thank you.
Now guys, I will create one more notebook now. Only I'm using it here. Data frame, summary, data frame. Okay, guys, using it data frame, summary statistics. Summary stat. Guys, this is fine. Now, how to create a data frame from the CSV file? Tell me now. Yes, guys. Read. Sorry. Use what's that? Read the data. Read the guys data from CSV file. Read the data from the CSV file. Tell me the syntax, guys. Everyone. Yes, guys. Any idea? DF is equal to, that is data frame is equal to, yeah, Spark dot, right? Spark dot
Read dot CSV.
Read dot
Read
CSV.
dot, very good, CSV. Okay. Directly you can give the path of the CSV file here under this. Go towards the, go to data, everyone. And now click on the create table. Guys, drag and drop the file. Which that means you are uploading it to the DBFS now. Okay. I'm taking the file called airlines.csv. Upload it. That's it, guys. Copy this. Now go to the recents. Now, guys, paste it here. Path of the CSV file is given here. You can also, okay, if you want, you can also give it here as DBFS colon. That's it, guys. You can also give it. Now, after this, you can also use an option that is called as what? Header is equal to true, comma, info schema is equal to true. Guys, everyone, run this. Now run this. See here, you got it. There is an issue. What is the issue? Can you tell me, guys? Somebody find out.
Separated. Separated.
Which is separator, ma?
Comma.
So there is a space before the DBFS.
Fine. That was the issue. Nothing else. Now that's it. There was a space. That's it. Nothing else. And now use it here. Use it what? Display. Sorry. Display data from what is that? Data frame. Okay. So how to get the display data from data frame? Display of DF. That's it. Okay. Now, guys, I want to use the, can you see here? Can you see you got it? But now, guys, the main intention, motive of the creation of this particular notebook is to find out the summary statistics. So what do you mean by summary statistics, guys? Yeah. Yes, guys.
Number of rows, like this, min max.
Yeah, sorry. So now, guys, actually, what I was telling, summary statistics includes what is that? The basic, the mean, mode, standard deviation, okay, and frequency, that is number of rows, and all these things it will display it. Okay. So, guys, to use this, we can use what is that? I'm using a command here, dbutils dot help. Use what's that? Help. Okay. So whenever you use the dbutils dot help, can you see here? You'll get it. In the help, dbutils. You got it. You have in this, you have a data. You have an option called what's it? Data. Data. dbutils module have a data. Data utils. Now, if at all you want to get, can you see here? What are the methods are there? Data dot help. Now see. Now see. What is the method available? Can you see here, guys? Now, what is the method available? Summarize. Huh? Summarize. Am I right, guys? Everyone following? Yeah, I want an answer, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm using the summary. Directly, I'm using it. Get the statistics of the data frame. So for that, dbutils is the module. dbutils is the module, guys. Dot data. So this is the utility, and in this you have a method. What's it? Summarize. Summarize. You want to apply it on what? df. Getting my point, everyone? How I'm using it, guys? Huh? Please, all of you. dbutils is the module. Under that, I'm using data. Dot summary. Under this particular submodule called data, I have a summary statistics, and I want to apply the summary statistics on the frame called what? df. Okay, that's it. See here. That's it. No, anything else need to be added, guys? Run it. See here, guys, everyone. It's getting it. Got it now, guys?
Okay.
Complete features, graph and all. Okay. Can you see here? See here. Missing value 0. Okay. Then count is total. There's something what count is the number of rows you have it. Okay. And top is this one. That is this is a frequency, top frequency, average. Categorical features means what? Characters. Can you see here? These are all the summary statistics. We can get it. How many percentage of missing value you have it? Tell me now. 1.38. This is a percentage of missing value. Okay. In the code variable. In the country variable, you have what is that? 0.24 as the missing value, percentage of missing value. Getting my point, everyone? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but the statistics of the data frame we have it. Again, one more way here we have it. Now let us see one more reading CSV file. Reading CSV file. So one method we have used spark.read.csv we have used, no? Guys, one method we have used that was spark.read.csv we have used. What is the other way we have it? Tell me now. Spark.read.format. Very good. So format.
CSV.
So use what's it? CSV. So after this, use what's it? Use what is that? Tell me now. Dot. What's it? Option. Header, comma, true. This is nothing but the, instead of semicolon, we can use it like this. Okay, guys. Dot option. Dot option. Schema. Yeah, very good. So use what's it? Infer schema. Infer schema, comma, true. Dot load. Okay, dot load. Guys, before the load, we have one more thing.
Path.
Separator. Dot option. So use what's SCP, sorry. SCP. Comma. Here also is comma. Okay, guys. That's
Separator.
it. Load. Huh?
After separator, one closing bracket. Sorry, closing apostrophe. Double quotes.
Okay. So that's it now.
And one more.
No, fine.
Double comma is there.
Okay, now?
Yeah.
Now, load. Tell me now. What is it you have to load? Tell me now. So use same dbfs. Huh?
Yeah.
Colon. Use the same method.
File store.
That's it. Okay, guys. That's it. This is another way of creating the same.
There is one. I mean, the path has something wrong.
Oh, the path is what?
Colon slash dbfs colon slash. We have one space and one more slash.
Yes, ma'am.
And one more continuation slash line number 5.
One more.
Line number 5 at the end, we have to add one backslash.
Right. That's it now. So that's it. Run this. Fine. Yes. Okay. This is another way of reading it. Okay, guys. Clear now? Now, the rest of the things, if you want to display it, use what's a display. Display data from data frame. Okay, guys.
that data frame we have to create in the previous command box.
df dot, yes ma, where I'm using what is that, tell me now.
df equal to
df1 equal to, let it be. Okay, now fine. Now
okay.
so df1. So now guys, again use what's that, df1 dot show. Do we need to use the same way? And now I'm using 10 comma truncate false. Truncate is equal to, sorry, is equal to false. Okay, now run this. Got it now?
Yeah.
Yes. See, this is the one way. Another way is also there, guys, to create this data frame. Some the small changes. That's it. Let us see it here. One more, that also I'll show it. That's better, no, guys. So reading the data from CSV. One more method. Okay, so for that, spark dot same, spark dot read dot option. Okay, ma, option you can use like this, and under the option you can use header. Yeah, everyone is following or not? Any confusion, guys? True.
No.
Then use dot option in for schema. In for schema, and put this under the quotes. That's it. Just a minute. In for schema. Comma, what is that you have to use? Tell me. True. Dot option. And now, guys, use the delimiter like this. You can also use it. Delimiter. Delimiter. Comma. Use a comma. Okay, guys. Fine, everyone. That's it now. Run this.
So the path, the file is not mentioned here.
See. File path you have not used it. Just a minute. Dot comma. Can you see it? Dot CSV. Dot CSV, we can use it. And now once you use the CSV, paste the path here as it is. That's it. So use the DBFS here. That's it. DBFS colon. DBFS colon. Okay.
So there is a space before DBFS.
Yeah, we'll erase it. That's it. Okay. So now let's try to run this. See here. Got it, guys? This is another way you have it. That's it. Okay. Anything else, guys? Now we're able to do it. Okay. That's it, guys. Okay. So let's end up the class here today. Okay. And tomorrow we'll continue with the new thing. Okay. So any other questions for me? Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, guys, I'm ending up the class. Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
everyone.
sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thanks.